Good morning, children. Welcome to social science class. Today is Saturday, date 11th of October 2021. Children, please take out your footprints book 3. Today we are going to do chapter 5, some other cities, page 36 to 39 from social science book. Read the chapter thoroughly. Children, we have already started this chapter. We have read about Bangalore, Hyderabad and Tiruvananthapuram or Tiruvananthapuram. So these are all major cities of India. Today we are going to read about few more major cities of India. The first one today about which we are going to read is Bhopal. Bhopal is the capital of the central Indian state of Madhya Pradesh. It is also known as the city of lakes. So Bhopal is the capital of Madhya Pradesh and it is also known as the city of lakes because here in this city you can see many big and small lakes are there. Transport. The city is well connected by the Bhopal bus rapid transit system. So the city is well connected by the bus service which is known as Bhopal bus rapid transit system. Climate. Bhopal has hot and humid summers and cool and dry winters. In Bhopal, summers are hot and humid and winters are cool and dry. Places of interest in Bhopal. The first one is Taj ul Masjid, the largest mosque in India. Next is Sanchi Stupa. Culture. Hindi is the most widely spoken language in the city. Diwali and Eid are the major festivals. Poha, jalebi and achari ghost are popular food items. Hindi is the most widely spoken language in the city, and Diwali and Eid are the major festivals celebrated in Bhopal. Poha, jalebi and achari ghost are popular food items. Ahmedabad. Next city is Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad is the largest city of Gujarat. It is situated on the banks of river Sabarmati. So Ahmedabad is the largest city of Gujarat and it is situated on the banks of river Sabarmati. Climate. Ahmedabad has hot and dry summers and cool winters. Monsoon is the only wet season that the city enjoys. So Ahmedabad, the summers are hot and dry and winters are cool. Monsoon is the only wet season that is being enjoyed by the people of Ahmedabad. Now, transport system of Ahmedabad. Janmarg, a rapid bus transit system, is a reliable mode of public transport in the city. So, Janmarg is a rapid bus transit system which is very reliable mode of public transport in the city. Culture. Gujarati is the most widely spoken language in Ahmedabad. Uttarayan, an annual kite flying festival in January. So Gujarati is the most widely spoken language in Ahmedabad, whereas Uttarayan is an annual kite flying festival which is celebrated in the month of January. Navratri and Diwali are the major festivals celebrated in the city. So with Uttarayan, Diwali and Navratri are also celebrated in the city. These are the major festivals of Ahmedabad. The Gujarati thali is an assortment of dishes is very popular, and the Gujarati thali, which is served with so many at a time, so many dishes are served in this thali. It's a big huge thali. It is very much famous because of this very popular Gujarati thali is very much famous in Gujarat as the thali. It has got so many food items at a time they serve, and this thali is very much famous with the foodie, those who love eating food. Now, places of interest. Sabarmati Ashram, which is made by Mahatma Gandhi ji. This is Sidi Syed Mosque. This is walled city of Ahmedabad. Now the next city is Jaipur. Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan. It is popularly known as Pink City because the old palaces and most buildings here are rose color. It is one of India's first planned cities. So Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan and it is also known as Pink City. Why? Because the old palaces and most buildings are pink, rose colored, means pink color, and it is one of India's first planned city. This city was planned first this is the first planned city of India. Culture. Rajasthani is the main language spoken in city. Hindi, English and Punjabi are also spoken. Here Tej, Gangor and elephant festivals are some of the main festivals. Dal bati churma, missi roti, gatte ki sabji, kair sangri, makke ki ghat, bajre ki roti and lal mas are a few popular food items. So in Jaipur, mostly people speak Rajasthani. The main language of Jaipur is Rajasthani. Hindi, English and Punjabi is also spoken by the people of Jaipur. Tej, Gangor and elephant festivals are some of the main festivals. Dal bati churma, missi roti, gatte ki sabji, kair sangri, makke ki ghat, bajre ki roti and lal mas, these are very popular among the people and they love eating these foods, and these are all famous food items of Jaipur. Climate. Jaipur has hot summers and cold winters. Places of interest. City Palace of Jaipur, Hawa Mahal. Next is Amber Fort of Jaipur. Guwahati. The next city is Guwahati. Is the biggest city in Assam and in the northeastern India. It is located on the banks of river Brahmaputra. Dispur, the city of Dispur, the capital of Assam is located within Guwahati. So Guwahati is the biggest city in Assam and it is in the northeastern India. It is located on the banks of Brahmaputra river and Dispur is the capital of Assam. It is located within Guwahati. Culture. Assamese is the most widely spoken language. Rongali Bihu, Bhogali Bihu and Durga Puja are the most important festival. So in Guwahati, people mostly speak Assamese and they celebrate Rongali Bihu, Bhogali Bihu and Durga Puja, these festivals, and these festivals are very much popular over there. Khar, Masar Tenga, tangy fish curry and aloo pitika are a few popular food items. So these things So these things means the food items, like most popular food items are khar, masur tenga, that is a tangy fish curry, and aloo pitika are a few popular food items. Climate: the city has hot and humid summers and cold winters. So during summer it is hot and humid, whereas during winter it is cold. Places of interest: Kamakhya Devi Temple, Sankar Dev Kalakshetra Museum. Next is Umananda Island, and this is the Brahmaputra river in Guwahati, Assam. This is Purba Tirupati Balaji Temple. So children, till here our chapter is over. So now you will go through the chapter 5, some other cities. Your homework for today is read the chapter 5 times. Today our chapter is over, so you will read from first page to last page of the chapter, that is page number 34 to 39. That's all for today. Thank you, children.